What's up guys, KJ here. In this video I'm going to be going through what I did to kind of troubleshoot why I wasn't getting any power to a section of my house. So recently we had a guy come over and he was installing our kitchen island, and he had a pancake compressor plugged in to an outlet inside, and then outside he had a table saw plugged in, and he was outside cutting a piece to our island, and while he was doing that inside, the compressor kicked on and they both stopped working. Right here is where he had the compressor plugged in, and then outside in the front area over here is where he had his table saw plugged in. And then whenever they both stopped working, this whole section of the house, all of the power went out. The entertainment center wasn't working, the ceiling fan wasn't working, and then our outside light wasn't working. First thing I did is I checked the panel, made sure no breakers were tripped. I checked all of the GFIs around the house, thinking maybe the one was tripped and that's what was causing the outage. But everything was good. So the next thing I did was I got my little outlet tester, and the outlets had power, but they were missing a neutral. So the next thing I did was I got under the house, traced all of the wires that were on that circuit, and I went to the very first run on the circuit, and I opened up the box, and sure enough, the neutral, when I pulled the plug out, the neutral kind of sparked. And when it sparked, that kind of told me that there was some kind of issue going on. So what I did was I tightened that neutral, and I came to the front of the house, and sure enough, everything was back working. So I'm going to kind of show you, if you can visualize where the wires kind of go around the house. So outside there is a GFI, and from there it goes up into this wall, and from here goes up into this switch, and then from there goes down up into the plug right here, and then from here it goes into this outlet which controls our security system, and that was not working as well. And then from here it goes under here, through here, and then into this outlet right here, and that is where the loose neutral was. And then from here goes under the house and into our electric box, electric panel. Hopefully this video can help someone else figure out why they don't have any power to one section of the house. It's not always a trip breaker. A lot of the times it is. Sometimes it's even a GFI that might be tripped, and in my situation it was a loose neutral. It could be a loose hot, a loose neutral, it could be a loose wire nut, it could be really anything. But before you call an electrician, and if you feel comfortable enough with electricity, I would try and troubleshoot it yourself. Thanks again for watching. Until the next video.